Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang oil leak issue and the potential causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Oil leaks in the Ford Mustang are commonly described as oil spots under the vehicle, a burning oil smell, visible oil residue around the engine, or low oil level warnings appearing more frequently than expected. Verified owner reports and service information show that oil leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, mileage, gasket materials, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves valve cover gasket leakage. Over time, gasket materials can harden or degrade due to heat exposure, allowing oil to seep from the top of the engine and spread across surrounding components. Another confirmed cause relates to oil pan gasket or sealing surface issues. Damage to the oil pan gasket or sealing surfaces can allow oil to leak from the lower portion of the engine, often visible as drips under the vehicle after parking. Oil filter or drain plug sealing problems are also documented factors. Improper installation, worn seals, or damaged threads can lead to slow oil leakage following oil changes. Front or rear crankshaft seal wear has also been reported. As these seals age, oil can leak from the front or rear of the engine, sometimes appearing between the engine and transmission. PCV system-related behavior is another verified consideration. Excessive crankcase pressure due to PCV system issues may force oil past seals and gaskets, increasing the likelihood of leaks. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include engine overfilling, oil viscosity not matching manufacturer recommendations, or normal seepage in higher mileage engines. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include cleaning the engine to identify leak sources, inspecting gaskets and seals, verifying proper oil filter and drain plug installation, checking crankcase ventilation operation, and replacing worn components when leaks are confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang oil leak issues are resolved through gasket or seal replacement rather than major engine repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and mileage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang oil leaks are typically linked to gasket deterioration, seal wear, oil pan sealing issues, or crankcase pressure-related factors. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional inspection essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.